Okay, this is a GW Instinct GPT9601. The 01 indicate AC high voltage tester. Okay, pass light indication, fail light indication, ready indications, and test indications. High voltage output light indicators. Escape field arrow. Okay, scroll down wheel. This is used for the pressing the start and stop operation, making the start and stop operation for the foot switch. Edit, save, and utility. High voltage terminal output and return line. Okay, so minimum voltage is zero point 0.1 kV. Okay, so 100 volts minimum. 10 volt per division is the resolutions. Maximum is a 5.10 kV. Okay, and the highest leakage current is a 20 milliampere. Actually it is a 100 VA capacity HV testers. So very simple to operate. Okay, very simple to operate. Just turning on. After the turning on, just scroll this wheel and set the voltage, nothing else. Whatever the voltage you want, you can set here. Okay, if you want to change the limit of high limit and low limit, just press the edit button and scroll wheel. In that case you will change the high limit and low limit. Okay, then press save buttons. Okay, high limit is save, low limit you can set, voltage you can set, and just after that task. Okay, that indication it will provide. Very simple to operate. Just one time you have to set the voltage, that's it.
तोपर्यंत अजून काही चेंजेस असतील ना ते पण मी करून तुला जायच्या अगोदर संध्याकाळी एक 5 वाजता मी सगळं पाठवते. ठीक आहे, टॅरीचा डेटा पाठवते. आता मी विचारते स्टॉकचं काय करायचं. म्हणजे स्टॉकमध्ये पण काय चेंजेस असतील जे काय मी चेंज करते.
From here you can set the low limit.
कुठल्या हेडमध्ये चेंज केलं.
Okay, save. Okay, now we have set the low limit to 21.9 milliampere, higher limit is 22 milliampere. The bandwidth is very small and we are getting the result 0.00 milliampere, so that's why the result is fail. Just press single press, the buzzer will be off. If you want to set the test time, okay, from here you can set the test time. Okay, minimum 1 second, maximum to 180 second you can set from here. Okay, this is actually a test time. Editing the high limit, low limit, test time, it will be possible when you will press this edit button. Okay, after the edit you have to save the setup. Then when the ready indicate will here, okay, along with this light, then you will start the test. Edit, save. Okay, now I have set the time here 180 second, so it will take the 180 second to complete this test. This is a very general operation of this GPT9601. You can see the backward side calibration, USB calibration key is here. Okay, and signal IO for connecting the PLC. Compact size, lightweight, and easy to you can carry from the one desk to the other desk. Thank you.